Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show, and we're going to paint our nails together. Well, I'm going to paint my nails and you can grab your favorite nail polish and maybe we can paint it together, or you can just watch me and just enjoy the video because I know that a lot of you love this type of videos, so I love it as well. That's why I'm doing it. I picked out this beautiful color by Glaze and I'm going to apply it right now on the screen, and we're going to talk about formula, how it is, and also I'm going to talk about anything that pops into my mind. I would also love for you guys to leave me in the comments maybe like topics that you would like me to talk about in my videos. I think that would be a very good idea. I don't know, not sure. So sound off in the comments. Anyways, you can see I'm applying the first coat, and honestly I do like the formula. Sometimes Glaze has very weird formulas, but this one is opaque and it works for me. Honestly, I have dealt with Glaze and some formulas that are not as opaque as this one, but this one was perfect. I had no problem with that because second coat mostly evens out everything. So I love that second coat I don't have to apply 3 coats, which sometimes I do have to, but I hate applying 3 coats. It's like, no, I don't want to do it. So anyways, second coat evens everything out. The color looks beautiful. I love it for summer. I love it for any season. It doesn't really matter in my opinion. I just really like the color and I have used it a lot. When I tell you a lot, I truly mean it, that I do use it a lot. Also, when it comes to this formula, for some reason it's drying matte. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure that this nail polish is from summer collection from Glaze back in the day, so I'm not sure why it's matte. But if you have a good top coat, it's so important to have a good glossy top coat. When you apply a top coat, it's like magic. Boom! It's so shiny. I love it. I love glossy top coat. I love that because I just love my nails to be super shiny and glossy and all that stuff. So there you have it. That's my biggest tip ever. Have a good top coat, and everything that I used, all the names will be listed in the description box as always. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk with you and see you in my next one, and until then, watch some of my other videos on my channel because I have a lot of them, and lots of kisses and hugs from me to you. I send you all my positive energy. Hope you have a great day. Bye.